Hello guys and welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to be discussing the new Binance Megadrop feature. What is Megadrop? How can you benefit from it? How to get qualified to earn free tokens by locking your BNB token or completing random quests. A lot of times when hunting for airdrops, lots of these projects turn out to be a scam. They change the criteria for the airdrop just before the launch, or they just simply never do an airdrop at all. Megadrop gives you the chance to get free airdrops from projects which are verified and already checked by their team and are still not listed on Binance. Usually after they are listed, they get a huge initial boost in price, so you should try to get as many points as you can before that. There are two ways to get qualified for these airdrops, which you can also combine so you can get as many coins as possible. The first way is to have BNB tokens staked on Binance, and that's it. You're automatically qualified for the Megadrop airdrops. The more you stake, the more you get. The second and way more interesting way is to complete small quests. Even if you don't have any money in your account, don't worry, you can still do the quests and get free tokens from the airdrop. I'm going to show you exactly how to participate, what are the quests like, and how are the rewards calculated, and basically everything you need to know to get qualified for a free airdrop. First off, we need to go to the Megadrop page. From the home screen, click on more and then Megadrop. Here you can see a project campaign that is ongoing at the time of making this video. BounceBit, a Bitcoin restaking protocol, the first ever project on Binance Megadrop, so we hope it will be a nice one. As I said, you have two options here. One is by staking BNB coins, and as you can see from the screen, if you stake for 90 days, you will get more points than if you stake for 30 days. So when you lock them for more time, you get more points. As you can see from this green locked batch, I've already stacked some BNB for 30 days. I know I get only 100 points compared to 130 for the longer period, but in my opinion, you should never lock any token for big periods like 4 months, for example. The crypto market is way too volatile and you never know what's going to happen tomorrow. If you're long enough in the crypto space, you will remember the FTX drama. Now, Megadrop is quite similar to Launchpad with the whole staking of BNB coins, but it also adds a twist with the completion of quests that give additional multipliers and points. And this is great because if you're ready to put in the extra work and complete these quests, you can receive the same airdrop amount as someone who staked 3 times more BNB than you, which is, I'd say, way more fair than all the Launchpads. Now let's look at the quest. There's only one available at the moment, stake with BounceBit. Hit on start and here we can see the full description of the quests with all the steps you need to take to complete it and how many people have already done it. I've already done it, I just had to transfer some BNB and Bitcoin to my Web3 wallet and interact with BounceBit. It was really easy to do. Probably when the next Megadrop project is announced, I will record a video on how to do the quest that is given for it. So if you want to see that, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. After completing the quest, I got 1000 points, which will increase in the next few days, and this is exactly how the total score is calculated. Every day, Binance takes a snapshot of the amount of BNB tokens that you have locked, and based on that, you get some points. The more BNB you have staked, the better. Completing quests gives you a multiplier by 1 by default, and when you complete all the quests, that multiplier increases to X, so it will be bigger or smaller for different projects. In this project, after doing the quest, my multiplier increased to 1.5x. And finally, the Web3 quest bonus, which is a fixed amount that you will receive only if you complete all the quests given. And they have also given us an example from which we can see that if you don't complete all the quests, your score will be equal to only what you've earned through staking the BNB token. So if you're going to get into Megadrop, make sure you do all the quests so you get all the bonuses and multipliers available to get as many points as possible. We are yet to see if this new Megadrop feature is actually worth it. We are yet to see what the token allocation will be. I hope it's better than the usual Launchpad or Launchpools, which in my opinion are pretty garbage. I mean, I've participated in a few. I even have a video on my channel on what I had staked and what I received, and I gotta say the risk to reward ratio was quite bad. Considering the fact that the whole crypto market is very volatile, and by locking a few $100 into BNB for 10 or more days, in which the BNB token can go down in price, to then receive $1 or $2 is just not worth the risk to me. Anyway, that was it guys, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.